Now let's think you have run everything locally. Now you want to take it to your CI/CD pipeline. You can ask Claude. Now everything runs locally fine. Give me the GitHub Actions pipeline YAML file to run as CI. Run in CI. That much it will understand. Let's see what Claude is giving. So it is reading the README file and it's getting the context, and okay, you don't download, you can have a look at here what it is doing. Okay, so it is setting up Java, setting up Kafka, all these things. You can set up the way you want, but those are not something you need. So this is the bit you need. It installed Steply and it ran your test server. Okay, you can also say assume Kafka is already set up in my CI environment. Just update the Actions YAML file to include the tests. That much also you can do. So it will update everything. See, it is removing capacitor. It's very smart, understood your context. So this will give a file anyway. So let's wait a couple of seconds. I'll just walk you through. Then we'll close this session and wait for the next one. Next week I will cover the consuming part of it, or you can try yourself at home. Okay, that's it. See, it removed everything, all the noise, and it installed Steply. Just one command. Steply is installed, and just one command. Test run, and it loaded the reports to the assets, which is artifact folder, and here is the folder it picked, target folder, which you have seen that from this folder it picked the report and upload. Okay, that's it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So just to recap, what all things we covered now is produce. Then what happens during produce? You saw that it goes to an offset, and it also prints your partition number. Which partition? The partition 0 it arrived. Then topic name and timestamp. This is the response of a successful produce. So we've seen that. Then what exactly to assert? Now you know what exactly you asserted here. We asserted status is okay. Then what is the offset and which topic it went. If all these things are fine, only then your test has passed. At least this much is fine. It has a lot of payloads. We are only doing a subset of assertion, which the framework gives out of the box capability. You can do subset of assertion. If you remove this bit, still fine. As long as your offset is not null in the response here, test will pass. Only when it will fail is if you are expecting something else other than not null. Okay, so that we have covered. And which part of the system we test or produce? So this is part of the system. So when you produce, make sure it has come to the right topic so that your ETL job kicks in. So this much is automated now. This merge, this merge is validated now because your order arrived order topic. Hence, the ETL job picks up. But of course, but we'll go and assert a lot of things in the next videos. These things. But until this part, we are good. Now from here onwards, we'll do the next step, which is consuming and asserting. Now serialization, you saw that. Where the Kafka producer properties, that's here. This is the serialization. Okay. If you change the message type, you have to change the serialization type as well. Then we saw the producer configuration. Just now I showed you how a pass scenario looks like. You have seen that, how a scenario passed and how it failed based on our assertions. Okay. What will produce a message twice? You saw message gets produced, but we have not done specific validations. What happens to the message because we haven't reached this point. This point will validate that if message come twice, but still you are able to validate that it is your offset is increasing here. Okay. Testing idempotency duplicate message, that's next part. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, please put it into the comment section. I will address. And also just write in the comments Kafka. Then I'll send you the entire GitHub repo and all the Claude prompts and subsequent prompts I will cover there, and you will find everything, copy paste and run it.